Hey guys, Chappy here again at the 7K Distillery tasting room to show you another cocktail. A bit of a twist on the Gin Basil Smash. We'll be using some Thai basil leaves in that place along with our chili gin for our Thai Basil Smash. So with the Dry Chilli Gin, 53%, 60 mils of this little guy. It's not too spicy, unlike our other gin. 30 mils of lime juice. 20 mils of sugar syrup. We have a nice handful here of Thai basil. Let's give this a nice couple claps there. Then we'll grab some ice and give her a shake. So a lot of basil smash recipes will tell you to muddle it, but I find the ice will do that for you if you shake hard enough. There we are. And we'll grab our glass with our fancy Antarctic ice. And don't forget, because of all the basil leaves being smashed up, we'll need our double strainer so we aren't all piecey. Nice little green hue coming out. And now for the garnish. We got a nice little bit of Thai basil, and I've forgotten the dried chili. I'll be right back. I'm back, and I got our dry chili. We're just gonna pop this guy right here. And so, pretty tasty little drink. If you want to spice it up even more, we have this little guy. As you know, the world's hottest, not for the faint of heart. Just add a few drops while you're making the cocktail, but beware, she's spicy.